The other one is, the theory of rejuvenation also resulted from telomere repair. We experts who engage in cancer cell research may know that a damaged telomere will soon be repaired by telomeresis. So cancer cells grow quickly, but its telomere never decreases, which is the reason why cancer cells are called immortal cells and can live an immortal life. Certainly, growth of human beings is just like crop growth, which also undergoes the process of immaturity to maturity. But how long will it take? We say that it will take 300 years. Besides, we need to know what the current situation in this field worldwide is like. We may have accessed it through newspapers and news reports. But what is the current status of modern science applications of human beings? The current science status of human beings is that people are still waiting for the application results. And until now, there are few results that can be applied clinically. But our human body regenerative restoration science has already gotten some results, which I will show you today. We used animal experiments to mimic human beings. We chose male rats of 300 days of age, and they were fed with, at 300 days old, and achieved a lifespan 3 times the normal length and remained non-aging when, at twice the usual lifespan. Another trial is the 5-year application study resulting in human beings. As Mr. Shao mentioned just now, he is one of those volunteers for regenerative restoration. He did not reach 5 years. And he has achieved regenerative restoration. Another achievement is trauma repair, disease treatment, and rejuvenation. Now let's look at the results. This is the study results of rats. The average lifespan of the rat is 480 days. We began to feed at 300 days. After regenerative feeding, at 820 days old, which is equivalent to a doubled lifespan. The rats were sacrificed, and historical changes were checked. What are the historical changes? All organs remained at non-aging. As Mr. Liu just said now, professors from Peking Union Medical University did double-blind experiment. And they were only in charge of interpreting the tissue section and did not know where the rats came from. So this is totally one-to-one testing. In the end, they were astonished by our results. They thought that the rats of doubled lifespan age were young rats, and the rats of normal lifespan age were older rats. They were all surprised when we announced the results. All the things were reversed. The rats of doubled lifespan age fed with regenerative substances showed young a historical profile, while the rats of normal lifespan age, fed with a normal diet, showed an aged historical profile. This is the technology of human body regenerative restoration. All organs such as the heart remained at a non-aging status. So when Mr. Liu came to my office for the first time, he wanted me to test at first. Mr. Liu said, "Would you show me any solid evidence?" I said, "I already have some evidence." When I presented these, Mr. Liu asked, "Is it true?" I said, "Absolutely. It is the result of a double-blind test. If you do not believe me, you can investigate." And then I even recommended Mr. Liu to ask my cooperators at Peking Union Medical University, where he has many close friends or followers. When he investigated them, they presented him some material. All the tissue sections of our study are stored in Peking Union Medical University, so all the materials are original. If rats can achieve this, what about human beings? That leads us to the following results. What are the results of human beings? Their appearance remains unchanged, or they even look younger. Their energy, spirit, vigor, and strength are thriving. Moreover, as Mr. Shao just said right now, I am here right now full of energy, spirit, vigor, and strength. Mr. Shao has also won the awards of longest distance twice consecutively in golf competitions. And from this we can see his improvement of the strength of his arm and body and overall changes. What's more, the intractable conditions are also decreasing.